So originally we were going to do the hike first and eat prata afterwards. However, it was raining all morning and we got really hungry, and so now it's about lunchtime. So here we are. This is our second go-to place for prata that we know of. So we're going to go enjoy that first, and then we're going to go for the walk. Some of the food came already. We got the Maggi goreng, fried instant noodles, and the mutton biryani.
I'm saying,
Take a bite.
sauce. Can I have this cucumber? Oh. Hold on, spilling as usual.
Can you give me some of that?
Yeah.
So the spilling has been cleaned up. What kind of drink did you get?
Ice, barley, limao.
Double P-song. P-song squared.
Here is one of their specialties, the magic meatless vertical.
Yeah.
Over there is coin prata, like silver bowl pancake prata, traditional classic.
With egg, with onion.
And I didn't have enough to eat, so ordered more. This is just a
Protein.
what exactly is it? Chicken?
Masala chicken.
And got another teh halia, ginger tea.
No, masala tea.
Oh, masala tea. My bad.
Jay Halia.
Oh, really? I want masala tea.
Sorry.
Get some more tension.
Why would you say so? Just let her be oblivious.
Got the drink wrong and
It's so tender. This is what humans are meant to do. I'm consuming another one's life. Now that energy is passed on to me.
It's basically like really cheesy, and the sauce makes it like a little bit better. I don't know.
so that was an incredibly satisfying meal, but we did indulge rather a lot. So we're gonna see how this hike goes after chowing down on so much food. And not to mention, it is pretty steamy out here, so there's a good chance we'll end up on our hands and knees puking our guts out. So before setting off on the hike, there's this really nice public restroom along the trail called the 9 Mile Platform. A good place to wash up and stuff. One thing about Singapore, they really are into having nice and clean public restrooms. And it's open air, so it doesn't get too gross inside here. So we're about to head off on our sweaty and exciting adventure.
So before we head out to the path, we have to guard ourselves against mosquitoes. And today we have the mosquito repellent patch that we apply on some parts of our body.
Just one thing.
That's what happens when you have sweet blood. Look at that.
So what are your thoughts on the mosquito repellent patch? Think it's gonna work?
Nah, I think it's a gimmick.
Where's your...
It's a scheme.
So, a little bit about this trail. Used to be railroad tracks from Singapore to Malaysia, and now they're not using the train anymore, but they are have turned it into a hiking trail, which is really beautiful right in the middle of the jungle.
You have to go to the what?
How's the walk so far?
Yeah, it's kind of tough because like I'm really full right now.
I'm hella full too.
Mom, I think this is it right here. Yeah, so basically like we've just been walking for the past couple 20 minutes maybe.
Oh, this
We're
at
at our destination, Rifle Range Nature Park.
Well, I think it's interesting because where we come from, there's also a Rifle Range Road, which is also a hike, a really tough one. And I think this one's going to be tough too.
It's really easy actually. It's basically just a boardwalk the whole entire time.
Okay, that's good to hear. So it is a bit muggy and warm, and my hydration backpack
Where did I put
is
my
not
water
exactly
bottle?
working correctly. But we do have water, so it's going to be good.
Uphill.
Okay guys, so take a look at that sun beating down on us, about to enter that. Yeah. So, thankfully, there's some fans, there's some bathrooms, little refresher station. It's hot, but we're doing good. Most of us are. Some of us are regretting that masala cheese dosa. So that was a critical rest break. They have a refrigerated drinking fountain here pumping out ice cold water. And they have these amazing fans, which really cooled us down a lot. We're ready to carry on. What we have here is a former quarry that they have converted into a wetland. Somebody doesn't like the outdoors.
Someone needs his iPad and his robots. And his fan. Near tears because of the leaf. He's near tears.
So we made it to the top. It's a 31 meters tall platform. It's a beautiful view, panoramic view. That's the good news. Bad news is we gotta walk back. So my camera ran out of batteries. Just gonna wrap up things for today right here.